Hey everyone, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to add new mailing address on Bank of America. But before we get started, if you're also interested in opening a checking account that comes with a bonus, Chase Bank is currently offering a great promotion for new account holders. I'll include a link in the description below, so feel free to check that out after watching this video. To start, open the website bankofamerica.com, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a greeting for you at the upper part of the screen. Beside it is an option that says Update Profile. Click on Update Profile. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for addresses. Under Addresses, you will see a button that says Add Mailing Address. Click on Add Mailing Address. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the fields provided, enter all the required information such as the country, address, line 1, city, state and zip code. Also, select the accounts you wish to associate the new address to by clicking on the tick box beside the account. Then click on Next. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity via code sent to your phone. Click on the method you wish to use. Then click on Send Code. On the field provided, enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone number. Then click on Submit. That's how you add a new mailing address on Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.